In this video, I'll show you how to voice type on Google Docs. It's especially helpful if you're writing those big essays or research papers, anything like that. All you need to do is come at the top, okay, this menu. If you don't see this menu, you're probably in full screen mode. Look at this. This is full screen mode. Just go ahead and press escape on your keyboard to get these controls. And then all you need to do is click here, tools, right? And then you get this option, voice typing. This is a shortcut, by the way, Ctrl+Shift+S. You can do that on your keyboard as well to voice type. So just go ahead and click on this and then click here to speak. Okay, we have given permissions. There we go. All right, so it's picking up everything that I am saying. And as always, make sure you also subscribe to the channel. And when you are done, you just go ahead and click on that icon again that was red, right? And you can go ahead and close this when you're fully done, okay? And it's really that easy and simple.